Hey guys, Jordan here. Today I'm going to show you how to restore corrupted files on your SD card. In this case, these are ARW files from a luxury photo shoot we did last night that are not readable. So I spent a couple hours today going through and restoring these files. I'm going to show you how I was able to do it successfully so that hopefully it saves you some time. So first things first, let's go ahead and plug this into the computer. And I'll transition over to my computer view. Alright, so I plugged the SD card in and you can see the disk you attached was not readable by this computer. So you can either ignore or hit initialize. I don't think it really matters. I just hit ignore. The program that I found that worked for me in restoration is not Ease US Data Recovery Wizard. I was able to recover the files, but they weren't readable still. Which one was it? Hold on, because I use a lot of different tools. Let me see. Data recovery. Oh, sorry, right here. Wondershare. Wondershare Recover It. And I think I paid $100, between $100 and $150. I think it was like $120. I used a coupon code because I have the Chrome extension for Honey, so if you're looking to save a couple bucks on this program, you can try that out. All right, so these are all the devices that are pretty much recognized by the computer. We have external devices. This is the disk 6, and I have a 128 gigabyte SD card in there, and this is it. This is the unmounted one. So let's go ahead and select it. So even though it doesn't show up anywhere on my desktop, if I click on Finder, let's see, click on Finder, the SD card is nowhere to be found. It's not down here. You can't access it. So, all right, so we're going to select it and then hit Start. And what it does, it starts to scan it. So it is disk 6, exFAT, and RAW files. Anyway, so it is scanning. It's taking its sweet time, but I'm going to try to make a condensed version of this video. All right, so let me see, lost files. Okay, so these are all like the files. The files that I was looking for, I believe, was in 100, and then it was 104, because it'll find files from previously, a long time ago, as long as it hasn't overwritten it, that are still stored on the file. But yeah, so I was able to, it loads up. What you'll want to do is let it do its thing. It'll probably spend 10 minutes just scanning. I'm not going to let it do that because it's going to take forever. I'm going to go ahead and hit pause, and then you can go ahead and select the entire folder and restore it. It'll restore all the files. In this case, say I just wanted this file wasn't reading right, so then I hit recover, and let's go ahead and we'll put it on the desktop. All right, so and then it recovers. File recovered successfully. Open the file, and now we have dig in, and you have your full ARW file with preview and everything here. So that is what we were looking for. So it's basically the same process. Now this Wondershare Recover It in this particular instance worked really well recovering these photos. From my experience, we've run into issues like this in the past, and depending on what you're trying to restore. So if you're trying to restore video files, Wondershare, I remember I tried Wondershare once for video files and it didn't work, but another one did. So anyways, this one does a great job restoring ARW files. In this particular case, shooting real estate photos with a Sony, I believe she was using an A7 III on this one. So anyways, hope this video helps for somebody that doesn't have access to the files on their card and they think all hope is lost. It's not lost. Get Wondershare Recover It and give that a try. There's or if for some reason that one doesn't work, then Google other recovery tools. There are a couple others that work, but from my experience for photos, Wondershare Recover It does a great job, especially on a Mac. So anyways, reach out if you have any questions. I'll see you guys on the next one.